Pakistan are further strengthening their defense ties with the announcement of a major collaboration to produce the Khan fighter jet. This partnership not only signifies a huge leap in their defense capabilities, but also marks the beginning of a new era of cooperation between the two countries. Along with the Khan fighter jet, plans are also underway for the development of a joint attack helicopter, which will enhance both nations' military strength. The collaboration between Turkey and Pakistan will see the creation of a joint factory where these fighter jets and other advanced military technologies, including drones, air defense systems, and communication technologies, will be co-produced. The Kaan is a significant milestone in Turkey defense sector, measuring 21 meters at length, with a 14-meter wingspan. Powered by two GE F-110 engines, it has a combined thrust of 76.31 kilonewtons, capable of reaching a top speed of 2,716 kilometers per hour. With a combat range of 1,100 kilometers, the Kaan fighter is ready for a variety of operational scenarios. This fighter jet is set to play a key role in modernizing the Turkish Air Force and enhancing Turkey's position as a regional leader in defense. The Kaan fighter jet project is not only about technological progress, but also a diplomatic milestone. Turkey and Pakistan share common geopolitical interests in South Asia and the Middle East, and this partnership deepens their strategic alliance. It also provides both countries with an alternative to Western military suppliers, enhancing their global positioning in the defense sector. For Turkey, the partnership signals its growing role as a regional defense leader, further cementing its ambition to contribute to global security. For Pakistan, the collaboration strengthens its ties with a key regional partner, ensuring its position in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. The establishment of the joint factory is expected to yield long-term benefits for both countries. In addition to increasing production of fighter jets, it could open the door to further joint initiatives in military technology and production. The success of this project could lay the foundation for additional collaborations, making it a cornerstone of both Turkey and Pakistan defense strategies. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about Turkey's Kaan fighter